In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Email. This quick guide is designed to help you get familiar with the key features of Zoho Mail and become more efficient in managing your email communications. First, let's start by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Simply navigate to the Zoho Mail website and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy to use for both beginners and seasoned users alike. Now, to effectively use Zoho Mail, understanding how to compose and send emails, managing your inbox, and utilizing the platform's various features is crucial. So let's dive into composing and sending emails first. You'll want to click on the New Mail button, usually located at the top of the interface. This action will open the email composer, allowing you to begin crafting your message. Enter the recipient's address in the designated field. You can also add carbon copy or blind carbon copy recipients, which are displayed as CC and BCC options, respectively. A clear subject line is essential as well, so be sure to provide one that concisely summarizes the content of your email. After that, type your email content in the body of the email. If you're satisfied with your message, go ahead and click the Send button. This simple process will send your email to the designated recipients immediately. Next, let's focus on managing your inbox. In Zoho Mail, unread emails are prominently displayed in bold, making it easier for you to identify which messages demand your attention. Once you open an email, you're offered several actions such as moving the email to specific folders, adding tags for better organization, or even deleting or archiving messages. You can also set reminders, add tasks, incorporate calendar events, and jot down notes directly from the email interface, which turns Zoho Mail into more than just an email client but a productivity tool as well. Responding to emails is straightforward with the reply, reply all, and forward buttons. Use these features to continue the conversation or share the email content with others without starting from scratch. Now let's talk about other features that make Zoho Mail stand out. You have powerful formatting options, access to pre-designed templates, and even HTML code integration for more customized email content. Collaboration is enhanced through internal chat, and you also have quick access to your calendar, tasks, and streams, facilitating organized teamwork. For business users, Zoho Mail offers features like setting up and managing your domain, which can help you establish a professional communication channel for your business operations. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to use Zoho Mail effectively. Whether it's composing emails, managing your inbox, or utilizing the platform's vast features, you're well equipped to start enhancing your communication and productivity with Zoho Mail. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.